In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Linktree. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your Linktree matches your brand and is easier for your audience to recognize. First, open your Linktree admin dashboard. This is the control center where you manage everything your visitors see. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu that organizes all your customization tools. Find and click Design. This is where the visual style of your page comes together, so it's the perfect place to make background changes that instantly update your public link tree. Inside Design, start by selecting Theme. Think of a theme as your foundation. It sets the overall look and feel, including styles for buttons and fonts, and gives you a consistent base before you fine-tune individual colors. If you already have a theme you like, that's great. Leave it as is. If not, take a moment to explore the options and pick one that complements your brand's personality, whether you prefer something bold and colorful or clean and minimal. With your theme in place, move to the Colors section. This is where you get precise control over the hues on your page. Look for the background setting. This is the control that changes the color behind your profile image, bio, and buttons, the canvas everything else sits on. Click the background color option to open the color picker. You can drag through the spectrum to find a shade you love, enter a hex code if you're matching specific brand guidelines, or paste in a color you've used elsewhere for consistency. As you test options, keep readability in mind. Aim for enough contrast between the background and your buttons or text so links are easy to spot and tap. If your buttons are dark, a lighter background can help them pop. If your buttons are light, try a deeper, richer background for balance. Subtle mid-tone colors often feel modern and professional, while brighter colors can deliver energy and draw attention quickly. Watch the live preview as you adjust so you can see how everything works together in real time. When you're happy with the look, finalize your change by clicking Save. This confirms your new background color and publishes it to your Linktree. Your visitors will see the update right away, and you can always come back to tweak colors if your brand evolves. That's it. You've updated your background color in Linktree, creating a cohesive, on-brand page in just a few clicks.